Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be exploring class 7 and 8 exam questions that might come. Now, this is kind of like a basic thing that you might want to do before you actually get into the more harder and cool stuff. So let's begin. So, um, negative numbers. Now, let's do add and subtract. So give it a go by yourself. The first question, minus 3 minus 4. Good job. Now the answer will be minus minus plus, so we add these two together, so it will be minus 7. The next one is 0 minus 12 will be minus 12. Give it a go by yourself, okay? Give it a go. 4 minus minus 7. Alright, hope you have tried it out. Now that's going to be minus minus will become plus, so the equation will actually become this, and that is equal to 11, so this will be equal to 11 as well. So if we just put these all alright, so we figured out plus, we do minus 7, we do minus 12 for this one, and we do 11 for that one. Alright, now multiplication and division. Minus 3 times minus 4. Give it a go by yourself. Good job. Minus minus becomes plus, so it's going to be 12. The next one is 3 times minus 4. What is it going to be? Minus plus minus, so minus 12 for this one. So we have got different signs, so that's why it's going to be minus 12. Then we have got 15 divided by minus 3. Minus plus minus, so it's going to be minus 5, and minus 15 by minus 3. Good job. It's going to be minus minus becomes plus, so it's going to be 5. Alright, let's move on to the next topic that will come, very likely that it will come. Alright, factorization. The first one is common factor. Now you need to use the common factor method to figure out the answer for these. Do the first one. Alright, hope you have tried out the first one, and let's zoom into a little bit more. So what does it actually mean? 5xy plus 3x. Now we look for the common. So it's going to be, what's common in this? We have got 5 and x as common. So we have got y plus 6. So what's going to be common? Again, we've got 5x and y plus 6 in the brackets. The next one is 7x minus 42. Give it a go by yourself. Good job. I hope you've given it a go. So let's begin. What's common in these? 7 is common and x minus 6. So we've got 7x minus 6 because we are left with these things in there. So we've got x left and we've got 6 because 7 times what is equal to 42? 6. Alright, the next one is regrouping term. Give this question a go by yourself. Good job. Let's now explore it. So we're going to be using the regrouping terms method. So we group these two. So now let's figure out the common. So in these two, we have got x as the common only, and we've got 2y left in this one, and we've got 3 left in this one. Then plus, alright, then we've got plus. There is nothing common in these, so we've got 1, and we've got 2y plus 3 left. Alright, so we take these and this as the common, these two as the common, so we've got this, and x plus 1 is another factor of this question. Let's move on. Give this go. Okay, good job. I hope you have given it a go, and let's use it. Now, how can we do this? So we have to group this one and we have to group this one. So what is common in these two? We have got x as common, x and x plus y over here, and then we've got plus 8 x plus y. So what have we got? We've got x plus y as one factor, x plus y is one factor, and we've got x plus 8 as the other. Okay, let's go. Now the other one is using Identities. Now these are the three identities. A plus b whole square is going to be a square plus b square plus 2ab. This one is the second one. A minus b square, a minus b whole square is going to be a square plus b square minus 2ab. So we have got the difference of the signs. And then we've got a square minus b square is equal to a minus b in one bracket and a plus b in the other. So look at this question. We've got this question. Give this a go by yourself. 3, 2, 1. Good job, you've done it. Now let's give this a go by ourselves. So let's take some of these things as a and b. So let's take this as a square and let's this b square. So this is a is going to be equal to x and b is going to be equal to 4 because under root 16 will be 4. And then we've got 2ab. How have we got 2ab? 2 times 4 is going to be 8 and we've got x at the back. So let's write this down. So this is the formula for a plus b whole square. So it's going to be a plus b whole square. Here a is x plus 4 whole square. So our answer is going to be x plus 4 whole square. Alright, the next one is 25m square plus 30m plus 9. Give this a go by yourself. Good job, you've given it a go. Let's try it out by ourselves. Now, let's assume some of this stuff. So let's take this as A, let's take this as B, and let's take this as 2AB. Will that work? Maybe, maybe not. Let's see what will work. Just a hint. That won't work. This is going to be 2AB and this is going to be B. Alright, so we have got A is going to be 5m because 5m square, 5m ka whole square will be 25m square. And then for B we've got under root 9 will be 3. Alright, we've got that. And 2 times 5 times 3, so that would be 2 times 5 is 10, 10 times 3 is 30, and then we've got an m left over, so it's going to be 30m. So what's the answer of this? So it's going to be 5m plus 3 whole square. Alright, 5m plus 3 whole square. Now we've got another question. Give this a go by yourself. Good job, I hope you've given it a go. Let's move on. So what are common in these? Because we can see that they don't really work out right now. So, good job, you're doing good. Yes, so we can see we've got a square and we've got b square, but these numbers at the front don't really make sense to us, do they? So, let's see. 63, what's common in these two we've got is, so we've got 7 for that, but will 7 go for that? Let's see, 1, 1, 2, 7, let's go 1 times 1, not 1, yeah, 1, minus 7 will be 3, not 3, 4 goes down 6, so we've got 16 as the answer for that. 16, remember 16, alright, so we've got 7, we've got 9a square minus 16, what is it going to be? 16b square. Now we can clearly see this and that, right? So we can write, what is that? So that's going to be a minus b and a plus b, so we're going to have a minus b, so we've got a as that, so 9a square minus 16b square and 1, no, not square, we're going wrong with this, so it's going to be 3a for this minus 4b, and in 1 it's going to be 3a plus b, 4b, and 1, and that's going to be our answer. Alright, so hope you get that. The next one is middle term splitting. How are we going to do this? Give this a go by yourself. Good job, I hope you've given it a go. Let's move on. Divide 5 into two numbers which multiply up to 6 times. There is no coefficient over here, so it's going to be times 1. So 6 times 1 is 6. So divide it into two numbers which multiply up to 6. So we've got 3 and 2, obviously. So it's going to be x squared plus 3x plus 2x plus 6. So let's swap this out a little bit, make some space. So what's common in these two? We have got x common, so we've got x plus 3. And then here, what have we got common? What have we got common? We've got 2 common, we've got x plus 3 here, so we've got x plus 2 and x plus 3. Good job, let's move on. The next one is 6x squared minus 13x plus 6. So divide 13 into two numbers which make up 36 because 6 times 6 is 36. Good job. So what are the numbers? Good job. The numbers. So let's look at the factors of 13. You can see 12 and 1. No, that makes 12. 11 and 2. 10 and 3. What about if we do 4 and 1? 15 and 2. No. Then 16 and 3. Still not quite. So, what is our answer going to be? 9 times 4. Good job. So, the two numbers, if we don't go that high, we've got 9 and 4, which is going to be 36, as we all know. But we want minus 13, so what do? We do 6x squared minus 9x minus 4x, because minus minus becomes plus, so it's going to be that plus 6 is equal to, what have we got common? We've got 3x common, so we have got 2x here, and we've got minus, what's in there? We've got 3 left. Good job. Then we've got, let's put minus so that the sign changes inside. What is common in these? We've got 2 common, and we've got 2x left, and minus 3 because sign changed. So we've got 2x minus 3 and 3x minus 2. 3x minus 2. Okay, for this video, that's it. We'll be taking other parts of this lesson in the next video, so stay tuned for that. Go to the playlist, go check that out. And that's it from me today. Hope you enjoyed, hope you learned something new, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.